My thing is, because I've backed up and fucking right to that Jeep, and unless you yank me from an angle and we...
I'm gonna have you crank it this way.
Left?
That way, and then I'm gonna pull you this way, sorry, and then your ass is gonna be more this way, and then you're gonna trying to get angled, face the same way the Jeep is. Okay. Because it's easier for us to pull you uphill this way than it is fucking uphill that way. So all else fails, it sucks, but you might just have to fucking park your, because I can get you between that Jeep and that fucking side-by-side right there. But until this guy moves, we're stuck here.
What tranny are you running in that? In that OBS?
Fucking 1410.
Would that work in a 350 to a 350? I got the same truck, but it's a 350 small block.
Well, that's a diesel. I'd have no fucking clue.
Yeah.
Diesel engine, completely different. But can you park your dirt bike between that fucking Jeep and that side-by-side right there so nobody fucking parks there? I'm gonna get him facing this way and then just fucking pull him that way. All else fails, we'll have to wait for that side-by-side to move. And then just fucking, under your own momentum, you might be able to launch up that hill enough, but you're just in a horrible fucking spot with two-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive in a Cherokee. What's your air at?
I'm air down on all my tires except my front. I'm trying to leave air down on all of them, except my front drive.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in position now. Everybody's getting stuck out here. Yeah, that guy's drunk. He needs to go that way. I might have to just pull him from here. Hey, I'm about to pull you from here. At an angle this way. Because I can't, they're all parked there now. And that guy just rolled in right there. I'm gonna try to pull him this way. If somebody tries to park here, can you yell at them not to for a bit?
What was that?
I'm trying to pull that Cherokee right here.
Yeah.
Just tell him, hey, don't fucking park there. This dickhead in the truck's gonna park here, and just blame me.
You got it.
Oh no, dude, fuck that thing. Oh, is it a good one? Because I was saying, I got this fucking...
I mean, it'll work.
That might snap though. I'll just go with the... Oh, it's already on there. Fuck it. Yeah, we'll try it.
Fuck it. Grab that hitch and just fucking throw it on here.
No, just go on the ball.
Just go on the ball?
Yeah. It works. It's just a fucking... That way it doesn't get bound up.
Yeah.
If it pops off, I reset. So I'm gonna... Because this way too, it's pulling up on your axle. Because if we're too low, it's gonna just keep pulling you straight. That way it gets you up a bit. But... Just crank a hard right and don't gun it until you start, don't gun it, but once you start to move, just try crawling out. Act like you're on rock or some shit. Yeah, the issue is that guy got stuck before us, so he just dug all the fucking hard compact out here spinning. You're spinning. Yeah, you're digging a giant hole right here. Yeah, that's why I can't get you off you're on a fucking axle, so. Shut her off right now if I can conserve the bitch. If we can dig you out, I can pop this off, but this fucking, I can get you out. This is a challenge. Issue is you're high centered on your axle. Yeah. So your wheels aren't doing anything and I'm trying to do a straight pull out.
Yeah.
Are you able to back up at all?
I can back up.
Try backing up.
Take that off the hitch and I can back up.
Try to back up and face this way if you can. There we go. Stop. All right, hold her there. All right, when I pull, fucking go, all right? All right, 3, 2, 1. Some more? Told you I get it.
Thank you, man.
Hell yeah. That was horrible. I suck at handshakes.